Alright, boys and girls, let's go behind the door to see who's at the country fair. Alpaca.
Who's this cutie?
Say cheese French fry?
What is her name? His name?
His name is French fry.
French fry! He does kind of look like a French fry, huh, boys and girls? Look at that. A baby alpaca, right?
Is he pretty? He's an alpaca, yes.
And how old is he?
He's about a year and a half.
A year and a half. He looks like a baby. But he's a juvenile, right?
He is. He's like a teenage alpaca.
Like a teenager. And look at this guy over here looking at that. Hi, sweet. Are you a miniature donkey, huh? Are you a miniature donkey? That's a miniature donkey. And how old is the donkey?
He's about 5 years old.
Oh my gosh, he's looking really good, huh, boys and girls? He's 5 years old. Hi there. Can you go hee-haw, hee-haw, huh? Nope, just resting now.
Mama.
A white llama. Hi there, good looking. Huh? Huh? A white llama. Can you say hi to the boys and girls? Or are you too busy eating? It must be really good because you won't even stop to say hi. So we'll leave him alone.
Kids.
Hi, you looking for your mama? Who's over here? Oh, the kids, the young ones. Taken away from their moms. Yeah, I'm done. With the tail on this one. Whoa! Hey, you guys. Whoa, that must hurt. Wow, I heard that one. I heard that knocking of the heads. Whoa.
Mother goat and baby.
Here's the baby with this mother. And they always like to get on top of mama, huh? Just get on top of mama to be close to her. Oh, what's going on? What? Oh my goodness. Are these your babies? Huh? You say something again, huh? Are you a proud mama? Are you a proud mama? There's a mom with her baby. There's her baby. Oh, what? What are you buying about, huh? The baby is up. There's the baby. That baby's only about a week old, boys and girls. And of course, you always get on top of the mama. Yes, that's how we show our love for our mama.
Baby goats.
Babies. It comes into the pen here. Another baby.